Hello guys, today I am being open video. Now I for free dumpling is no part nothing. It's one dumpling, another dumpling, and the third dumpling is right here. I really sure this third dumpling is the little one, I guess. Let me open this first. This. Let me take a peek. Can you see it? No. You have to like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Video this compound. We have to do every single time. We have to do that. And I really like to posting somebody use the video and I don't like I'm posting my own video. And time for look at this. 3, 2, 1. It's glitter. Look at this. It's glitter. It looks good. Okay, I put back in and put back the lid. Like this glitter. Let's hear it. It's not like water and I don't know. I take a little peek. Oh man. 3, 2, 1. The same one. Dude, the same one. I hate the same one. Let's pick this. You cannot see it right here. 3, 2, 1. It's the one. It's so good. Do you want some? Click on the button to get some. It's so good. It's so milk. It smells good, and sometimes the smell is not good, and I like that. And come on, saying you have to like and subscribe. We do another video when I work with, and I can make some people in. Yeah, you don't know how to do that, and I can help you. You have to click that button. Click that button to click that button. You can do that. Bye bye.